Hello guys, welcome to Fun Cooking with Brandy. Well, today we are going to be looking at how to prepare a simple, quick, fast breakfast recipe called French toast. Enjoy! Things that we are going to need are bread, eggs, cooking oil, salt, chopped tomatoes and onions. To begin with, we are going to slice up our bread. Well, it doesn't matter what type of bread you have. There is bread that is already sliced. And for me, this is what I'm going to use. If you like my cooking videos, if you like, you can like, subscribe to my channel, and comment. Stir them up. Add a pinch of salt. Smear the eggs onto each side of the sliced bread. Time to fry our bread. Put on the gas, the pan. You can put our cooking oil. Let it heat up and start placing there our bread, slice by slice, side by side. Let each side turn golden brown. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Our toast bread is ready, as you can see. Wow, wow, wow. So at this stage, I am going to, for my case, I'm going to add my tomatoes. I would like my toast bread with tomatoes. And some onions. If you don't like this, you can leave the tomatoes and onions out and enjoy the bread. Woo! Look at that. Time to feast. Guys, I'm lost in the taste. Well, if you've liked my cooking today, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.